Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Welcome to the March 15th, 2022 Hua Hin Thailand train line construction drone flight video update. If you're familiar with the background of the train line project from previous videos, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp shown on screen. For those of you new to the series, I've been flying my drone monthly around the train line construction in my town of Hua Hin, Thailand, starting back in April of 2021. Thailand is in the middle of a massive project to upgrade from a system of single tracks to a system of double tracks, plus additional high-speed rail links from Bangkok to the north towards Laos and China, and additional 160 kilometers per hour mid-speed rail links to the south. One of the mid-speed lines is now under construction through Hua Hin. Concurrently to this, the main train station in Bangkok is moving from the century-old Hua Lamphong station to the shiny new Bang Su station in the northwest part of the city. With the new mid-speed rail line and the better location of the Bang Su station, I'm hoping that the run from Hua Hin to Bangkok will take about 2 hours, rather than the 5 hours we currently encounter, and that's on a good day. These drone flights allow us to see the progress on things like the construction of the new Hua Hin station, the laying of the new second ground-level tracks, the raised track sections, new bridges, elevated traffic overpasses in conjunction with the removal of ground-level crossings for safety, and removal of encroaching buildings along the route to make way for the new lines and a wider road that will parallel the line all the way through town. We've got a bit of train news this month. First up is Heaven is Hua Hin, with an article highlighting the need for additional passenger trains along the China to Laos segments. I guess the old saying, if you build it, they will come, rings true in the world of train lines. Hopefully, this also reflects on the need for more passenger trains along the Bangkok to Hua Hin segment. Next up is an impressive video shared by the Bang Su Grand Station on Facebook, giving us a big picture look at the progress of construction in this massive countrywide project. It's definitely worth the 12 minutes to see drone flights of new track, overpasses, stations, and the really impressive engineering of elevated sections, bridges, and tunnels. It spends a lot of time showing views of our own Hua Hin train station, with the accompanying description saying, via Google Translate, the highlight of the second contract is the Hua Hin railway station, with the combined construction retains its uniqueness and charm. In order to preserve the original Hua Hin railway station that is important to the history of the State Railway of Thailand, therefore, it's designed by bringing the uniqueness and beauty of the original Hua Hin railway station. Come to the new Hua Hin station, which is on the opposite side. When the new station is open, the former station will continue to operate. Next, my thanks go out to Jonathan and Hua Hin Today for an article about me, a bit of my background, and how these train line drone videos came to be. Finally, I'd like to announce that I'm expanding the drone flight team, bringing on local expat and drone pilot Geoff. Now that COVID is becoming a more manageable situation and countries are opening up borders again, I'm headed out on a multi-month trip covering the Middle East, Southern and Eastern Europe, and then down the east side of Africa. Geoff will be handling all drone flights around Hua Hin in my absence, but I'll do the editing and publishing in the channel as usual. I'm taking along my second drone on the trip and hope to get some great video from these locations, following all local regulations, of course. As part of the training and transition, Geoff flew the drone for all the videos you see today. We spent the day working through the logistics of each flight segment, how to deal with the heat, the wind, the dust, the glare on the controller screen, the communications limits of the transmitter, and of course capturing the best images. I'll let Geoff develop his own cinematography style, all for the benefit of you, the viewer. And on that note, fire up the drone, Geoff, and let's get flying. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.